Hi, welcome to Signature IPC. Come on in. We actually moved into IPC in July 2022. So fun fact, we actually only had 2 staff when we first started. And then the day that we moved in, we actually have a total of 9 people in our team. Come on, I'll show you something. Hey everyone, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
So this is actually our office, and fun fact, it's actually all made under Signature. So we're actually using it as our staff table. So we all have a team over here and we all sit around here. Okay, so if you'd like to know what is our most asked product, it's actually this TV cabinet over here. So fun fact, the first item that this company sold was this exact TV cabinet. Whatever you're looking at here, we actually sold it right to the customer's house. You might be wondering why we're actually showing TV cabinet instead of kitchen in our glass windows right now. Actually, we are actually trying to promote that Signature is doing just more than just kitchen. So that's why we decided that a TV cabinet would be a good item to put in our display unit. So as you can see, this is the first thing that catches the customer's eyes as they're walking past our window. So if you go around the showroom, you can actually view the other ranges that we have, which is the Rosa straight edge cutting.
There was a customer, she wanted to do old house cabinetries, dry kitchen, wet kitchen, wardrobe, TV area, foyer, everything. The customer actually, she have this minimalist approach. I listened to her, what is her needs, and then I design according to her needs, and then make sure I explain the design to serve the purpose. After we finished the 3D, she actually has used a lot of MFC calling. She loved the color actually. That's the color she wanted and so. And then we have used smoke beige. These 2 colors we have matched it. Basically, I make the customer happy end of the day. That's my take back home actually. That's my proud moment lah.
This customer, the house roughly estimation is around almost 2,000 square feet. So basically they want to do the foyer area, kitchen cabinets, dry and wet, and also bedrooms. The challenges was for the master bedroom actually. They specifically already had master feng shui come into their house. They cannot have any obstruction in the main entrance. And also for the wardrobe area, they cannot facing the back. So basically the wardrobe, we change it to walk-in wardrobe. So the walk-in wardrobe is facing the bathroom instead of facing the bed. The design and the concept that they are going for also we able to achieve, which is more like minimal and timeless kind of concept. We able to meet their needs and specifications based on the master feng shui. The installation went smoothly, and also the customer is very satisfied with our workmanship because during the first time they came into Signature, they actually already knew what we could provide and the quality for Signature. So that's why they already had the trust with us.
So if you're around the area, IPC, Curve or IKEA Damansara, do drop by and we would love to serve you. My name's Janice, and I guess I'll see you around. Bye!